All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and well, TikTok auto technicians are dangerous and stupid. So recently I started a TikTok, just putting old videos on there, seeing what kind of traction I can get. It's what everybody's doing. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. So anyway, unfortunately, when I set up my account, because I had to set up account, I didn't have a personal TikTok. I didn't do anything on that platform. One of the categories I chose was automotive. And OMG, there's so much bad information. I thought YouTube was bad. TikTok is so much worse. I mean, it is ridiculous how much horrible technicians are putting out content on there. And before the comments start happening, I'm not talking about Enright, I'm not talking about Autotech Mike, I'm not talking about Humble Mechanic, I'm not talking about Mr. Subaru, Royalty Auto Service, I'm not talking about those creators. But there's so many people out there that are just putting out such bad information. It hurts. It hurts my brain to see. People call me an idiot. These people are putting up horrible things on TikTok and thinking they're doing well, and they're doing such a bad service for the automotive industry in general, automotive technicians specifically, auto repair shops. You know, it's just horrible. And because of the parody stuff I sometimes do, it's not a parody. These are what these people actually think. And it's ridiculous. You know, not understanding how systems work, and they're giving people advice. You have to wonder, do they really believe what they're talking about? Because it's such horrendous information. I mean, just fundamentally bad. It's not even, it's in service information, how to do this, and they still don't understand how to do it. We're not talking, complex CAN diagnostics. We're talking fixing a no start because it's not getting fuel. To give some other examples, I'm trying not to give specific examples to the automotive industry because I don't want people looking for these creators. For instance, you go to nutritional education in the, same kind of vein, and there's so much bad information. Like, there's entire TikTokers that all they do is correct bad information. And you watch these TikTokers who are busy selling supplements and, yada, 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 magic cures. And you have these other TikTokers, their entire TikTok presence is debunking these people. And it's so incredibly bad. Like, I don't have the time or the patience, but somebody should. Somebody, you're looking to create a TikTok. That's what you need to do. If you want to be popular, go in there and just find all these videos and debunk everything they say if you want to be popular. Because trust me, so many more TikTok genres literally do that. It's like, oh, this guy put out a video. Let me make a response video because he's so wrong. I know it's kind of ranty, but if you're on TikTok and you're putting out bad information, stop, please. I have no problem with anybody sharing good information on YouTube, on TikTok, but if you're doing this kind of stuff, just stop. You're putting out bad information. It's like, to give the YouTube equivalent, it's Scotty Kilmer talking about compression fittings on brakes. It's dangerous, and nobody should ever put out that information. I know it was ranty, but oh God, it's just every video I see that's not from the creators I mentioned, it's just crap. So, hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.